So you're saying you don't want any more green beans? You're so boring they put you to sleep?
Earlier today, a man did jump into the river and he was taken to the hospital with minor injuries, and his family didn't know he'd already been transported. The man is recovering right now.
And covering the nation right now, the last people left in two Arizona towns in the path of a massive wildfire have been ordered to leave by tonight. Firefighters in the eastern part of the state are having to deal with gusty winds blowing up to 35 miles an hour today. Across the border in Mexico, officials there telling people who live in Luna to be ready to leave if the winds push the flames over the border. Right now, the wildfire covers more than 600 square miles and has destroyed 11 buildings. No serious
I think we lost them.